Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke Sangma, ulapin rem yu noyalam ke Kongres uba Vincent H. Pala, halor ki Kynthoh, halor ke FCRA da ke Bakali, Kiei ki Sienjam bas kham Phi La Shim man pinbet ya kani ke jingïada, usangma ulaong, ba ki jingpin kalai ke FCRA kidang don hakmat ke Joint Parliamentary Committee, bat ke sorkar Meghalaya kanshim ya karai, halor ki jingkirsha ni ki jingpersha, hadian balayo ki jingtep ki bniah jong kabil ni ke ai. UCM ula keliru ya upala, lakat no sien ula ya kendo yo menteri kampo yeng ke sorkar pedeng, bania keren halor keni kaman. Usang ma ula yaro ya ki MLA jong ke UDP bat kiwe ki nong yalam, kibla lej bania kendo ya menteri kampo yeng ke center, bania keren halor ki jing'e bayadei bat ki FCRA. Ula ong baka jingtmu jong ke sorkar Meghalaya, kalong banwat ikalat ban pinbej, bat banyadai ki seng bat ki paidbah ke Jylla.
Basically, the question of supporting or not supporting arises only after we see the details of any particular bill or act. Now the FCRA has been sent to the JPC. Details will be seen and discussed in that. So therefore, the question of supporting, not supporting doesn't arise right now. I think what is important is, the intent of individuals and leaders and political parties, because it's not about politics or taking credit or putting down a particular political party. I think what's important is the issue in front of us. So to be very frank, it sometimes I wonder why the politics takes over so much more than the issue itself. I don't know how many times Mapala has met, Home Minister, or even, asked his leaders to meet and discuss and take up this issue at the Home Secretary level. So I think actions are important. One can always criticize and condemn anybody else. The question is, what have you done? What is your role? What is your contribution? And how are you contributing? I'm very happy the other day, the UDP MLAs had gone to meet Home Minister and discussed about FCRA. I saw other leaders from other political parties going and meeting. That's really what matters, you see. And again, yesterday also I was asked a question about the fact that some people are saying that, we didn't do enough for the FCRA. I was asked a question yesterday. And I think that's just not the point again, For us, what is important is the issue should be resolved. This is a matter that concerns our people. And we should ensure that we can do whatever we can to make sure that our people are protected. And I think that is what is important.
Iperti yang tau ki Iwan, kuwi ko peram kwa Hynrei Phi.
Ivan, baik kan ram kwa las ko mkan. Tạm thân nè và ram ni, ham bên bột ai yang gelak pa.
Bon sen ki brum, juk kli pha ki yang Tang ki khmat phom chna. Yi ya pho yo dai.
Còn Ivan ông rồi cái bên husu cái ram mo tao là bốn cái ram tem etiar đi ki. Có con bên à?
Dạ khi biểu ngài nên mà. Em khi mà vào tâm anh em già hết.
Em sẽ là ngâm sang kêu vào cậu.
Em ini pergi yang Phi ke kuat ulai ni training ke boleh bniah ni mata bau cina bau thai suruh.
Ngaku ai amalai.
Tahu hikai ni suruh ya gini perlok. Dewa. Hikai gua nongkong daga sempol desain gua ar. Dah hikai daga desain mana dia kan ni sempol desain.
Gini ke cek tu ram sorkar mah.
Kamu dah terang laduk mesin dia sikit kamu kuat.